There is a quiet question in the heart that many people carry. Is it still possible for me to start again? In today's gospel, Nicodemus comes to Jesus Christ at night. He is a good man, faithful, respected, but deep inside, he knows something is missing. And Jesus tells him something surprising. Jesus says, "You must be born again." Not physically, but spiritually. A new heart, a new beginning. My dear friends, this is not just Nicodemus' story. It is our story. Because there are parts of our lives that feel tired, habits we struggle to change, sins we keep repeating, and moments when we feel it is already too late. But Jesus says, no, it is not too late. God is not tired of you. He is not finished with your story. He is gently inviting you today to begin again. So, wherever you are right now, come back to Him. Because with God, a new life is always possible. Amen.